experience about this interview particularly?
Ma'am, I know that there were a lot of wrong things had gone through my words, and because it's my first virtual interview, so there were a lot of wrong things. And that's why I'm doing this course to learn my fault and all. And thank you to you, ma'am, that you have guided me a lot in your words. And there are so many interviewers I listened that they can't even explain that what to say or what to know. Even the interviewer, even they are asking, ma'am or sir, you can please repeat it for once, and they are telling just no and anything like very much serious concern. But I didn't feel any kind of like stressful, or yeah, I was a bit nervous, but it was amazing, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, so now I'll tell what I felt about it. The first thing is your introduction was okay, but you were lagging in everything. So don't be that. Try to be more confident. Okay, you are confident, but it's not. I can't even. There is something that your confidence should come up while you speak. Okay, so just be confident in everything you speak and try to give all the answers. Okay, it may be wrong, it may be right. It doesn't matter, but at least you should try to give the answers. Okay, so don't just sit idle and don't be blank. Okay, the interviewer will always notice that how much confident you are, and at least you should try to give all the answers. Okay, then in the introduction part, try to be more about, you try to tell everything about your experience, in which part you are good at. Okay, make it something more interesting, make it more attractive. Okay, so that it can create a good impression in the beginning, because beginning and end is a must. Okay, and yes, what I felt was not correct was your energy. In the beginning, I thought you were full of energetic girl, and yes, in the beginning it was there. But as soon as the interview was going on, your energy was, it was also gradually slows down. So please don't do that. So you have to maintain that energy. Energy is a must, because the interviewer can see that the girl was energetic in the first, but now it's showing that she is not interested, or she is not knowing the answer. She is not able to give the answer nicely. So don't do that. Okay, try to you try to hold your energy throughout the whole interview. And the second, as I already told you, try to give all the answer. And convincing part, try to make the communication a two-way communication. Okay. You were telling that this is the thing. Try to ask me more questions. Ma'am, you have come to buy a fish. What kind of fish you want? As you told me that you don't eat fish, then why you want to give the fish? So that I can't cross question you. Don't give the, don't, give the chance to do cross question. Try to ask as many as question you want. Okay, try to make the interviewer confused. Okay, by asking question, why you need this, why you want to go for this. Okay, that is the thing. Make the communication two-way communication. And yes, and the next thing is that in some questions you were just thinking, I thought that you were looking somewhere and answering. Please don't make that happen. Just be confident. Try to give the answers honestly, whatever you know. It may be wrong.
Yes,
it's not
sure,
a big
sure.
Okay, so just keep these things in mind. So we have our senior HR, Vaibhav sir. I would like to request him also to share his feedback so that it becomes more clear. Okay.
Yes,
okay.
So,
Thanks, Sudeepa, for this chance. And Ufoshi, how are you?
hello, sir. I'm good. How are you, sir?
I am fine. I am fine. So I was there the complete interview. So I saw the interview myself. Okay. So as ma'am added few points. Okay. So that you have to work hard on that points. Okay. The communication skill which you are delivering while giving the answers, that is excellent, I must say. Okay. Because you are having patience while giving the answers. You are trying to clarify each and everything while giving the answers. That is a positive part which you are inhaling while giving the answers. Second thing is, as ma'am told, that in every answers you have to have a two-way communication. Okay. So in every question, whenever you get a question, think of it for 1 minute, for 30 seconds, and then have a two-way communication. You have to break your flow. While giving the answers, try to break the flow 2-3 times and then have a two-way communication with the customer. Okay. That will definitely enhance your skills, because you get to know that all the things which you are telling to the customer, you are delivering to the customer, that is okay or not. Right? customer is getting all the points or not, right? So all these things you have to make sure that whatever points you are delivering to customer, that customer is understanding or not, or things are going fine or not. Okay, for that take pauses and work on the intro part a bit, because in intro you have to add your skills, your hobbies. Because see, I don't know you personally, I have only 1 minute to know you, right? So in that 1 minute you have to create your impression at very first go, right? So work on the intro part more, okay? Make it more attractive, more enhancing, right? Because in that 1 minute you have to tell everything about yourself. So focus on yourself. Try to add your achievement, your parts, whatever you have done in school, colleges. Try to add all those points, okay? And whenever there's a BDA kind of question, whenever we are asking you, in all those questions, you have to make a personal touch with the customer. Personal touch means you have to talk to customer that, sir, what do you do, right? What your childs do, okay? In which class he is right now? What do he learn? What is the learning pattern? Do we go to a private tuition or you teach him at home, right? So all these things you have to add, because first of all, before answering any question, the first mandatory thing is you have to build a personal touch with the customer. Because once customer will trust you, trust your words, then whatever you say, he'll trust you, okay? Whatever you say, that install this, install that, take this, take that, he'll definitely trust you. But your first goal is to make a touch, a personal touch with the customer, okay?
And sir,
And you
sorry
have
to
to work.
interrupt. Yeah, I just want to add a point. When I asked her to rate herself on a scale of 10, please don't say 0. It will create a negative.
I am coming to
That
that.
means you,
I
yeah,
am,
yeah.
I am coming to that point. Yes, that is a mandatory point which ma'am told, because don't rate yourself 0. That is good that you are learning right now, right? You are a fresher, so you want to learn everything. That is good. But if you rate yourself 0, that interviewer will think, na, you don't know anything. He will not hire you at that particular point. You can say, I can rate myself 5 because I have a bit of skills right now, but I'll definitely try to enhance my skills in coming days, in coming weeks. But don't rate yourself 0, because giving yourself 0 means you don't have trust on yourself. You
Okay.
can't trust yourself that I can perform well during the convincing part, right? So don't give
Yes.
yourself 0. You have to give some marks to yourself. Have confidence on yourself that I know I have some skills. I am learning day by day, and definitely while coming to your company, I'll definitely increase all my skills. I'll prove myself to be an asset for the company. So all these things definitely you can add, right? And you have to work on academic questions. Whichever ma'am asked academic questions, their answers were not appropriate, right? You were not able to give the answers, okay? So see, we all have studied the questions in class 4 or 5. We all know that, right? We don't have to study Newton's law right now in class 11th or 12th or any class, right? But we should know the basic concept, because as you are a counselor, definitely parents can ask you a simple questions. And if you don't answer that questions now, they'll have a trust issue with you. That, see, there are simple questions, you don't answer simple questions, so now I'm having a trust issue with you. So at all those questions you have to work hard, right? That is not mandatory for sales interview, but still you should know. That will definitely add a +1 to your resume, right? So whatever marks they are giving you, that will add a +1 to you, okay? So you should know basic questions. These basic questions they'll ask: Newton's law, Einstein's equation, all these questions, okay? So we'll give a PDF notes to you also if you want. Okay. In that notes, you will have all the questions, relevant questions. To go through every question, definitely you'll get an idea. Okay. Of every
Yes, sir.
question.
Thank you so much, sir. It will be helpful also, sir. Thank you so much.